When you first look at the BlackBerry Curve 8520, you'll notice the design is unique in many ways. You will immediately notice it is very light. The second thing you will notice is that this is the first BlackBerry smartphone to employ trackpad navigation. The trackpad allows you to scroll horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. To the left of the trackpad are the familiar menu and send keys, and to the right there is the escape, end, and power off keys. As you can see, the buttons are flush with the screen. On the right side, there are the volume buttons and a convenience key. On the left side, there is a left convenience key, a micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headset jack. There are new dedicated media player buttons located at the top of the device. The play-pause button also acts as a mute switch. Holding the key for 2 seconds makes the device enter standby mode. There are also track forward and track backward keys.